Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from Yellow Dot Artist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to mix two different shades of white for a painting. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm doing this new painting and I came across a challenge. So here's my sketch. Then I did the undertone, the underpainting. Then I started blocking in color for the background for the base layer. Then it dawned on me, I want to put all white walls and a white table. So here's the problem. How do I do that without the painting looking really boring? So right now there's an undertone of gray from the base layer. So to get a color that's like white or has a hint of another color, I mixed up white, burnt umber, and some yellow. So I'm doing a test patch right here, and I don't like it. It's way too yellow. So I'm adding a little more white to the mix, and it looks better. In fact, I like it. Okay, I'm mixing even more white, and then I love it. It's perfect. It's what I'm going to use. So I'm testing that as well. It's hard to see on the canvas through the lens, but it's lighter. Okay, so now I need to mix up a color for the walls, and there's a lot of space. So I'm using white, yellow, and blue. For this I used ultramarine blue. And I'm going to do a little patch test on the wall. And it has a hint of green to it, which is perfect for a greenhouse because there are going to be a lot of plants, and that would make sense to have a reflective tone of green in the paint. It's perfect. So you see I covered it in green, but it looks white. And that's the first layer. I need to go back and mix up another batch and add it. That's it. Thank you for watching. Head over to my website, yellow.artist.com, and check out more videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.